Wisconsin is rapidly becoming a global leader in advanced electronics and battery manufacturing, and EON Reality is playing a pivotal role in this transformation. Through a groundbreaking initiative powered by spatial AI and immersive XR technology, EON Reality is partnering with Wisconsin's state agencies, technical colleges, and major industry players like Foxconn and Clarios to swiftly bridge the state's skills gap. With specialized AI-driven training tracks like advanced electronics manufacturing and battery technology specialist, Wisconsinites gain essential high-tech skills up to 4 times faster than traditional methods. The EON-XR platform instantly transforms complex manufacturing manuals into engaging, interactive simulations, ensuring quick adaptation to evolving technologies. This strategic initiative not only enhances precision, safety, and proficiency, but also significantly reduces training costs and accelerates workforce readiness, securing Wisconsin's position as a hub for innovation and high-tech manufacturing jobs.